That's His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Ahmadu Bawumia, number the protocol, Ka Abesia or Kono. Entebia na wateko crosswalk sorry. Esanti Dodona na Esther Kwan na
Ghana Police Service.
We are champion for dear. What the Bubako? Why are dear pa? See a near attack or call one. Now what to me about Guayano? Champion, what the Bako? Yadamasa. Yadamasa.
So I say, Joy Daddy, RITES, Shadia RITES, of course the Chief Executive and Founder of Joy Industries, Dr. Harrison, morning with the Asante Kingdom. And of course, Dr. Manfred, the brand ambassador Kofori. We thank you so much for morning with us. Joy Daddy RITES and Shadia RITES. On behalf of COP, Nathan Kofi Boache, Commander 1, on behalf of the entire security,
na yesi ebe kwa ese ne be ya yire be koso jojo ese enene edamiensa ha se bi o yede kwa abrewa okwa na yesi no unhun se ne ha etie na ha etise de ma efa bambo aduma ese oh eno de even though ye nwie ye no metumi aka se excellence je se enye yie nyina na okwa unhun chiche bi se omo so ma etie ase se na wotwe da no enema bebre to chima tinu we no omo agi yiri mu se omo nhwe ma basa ye bia enye de ensi tinu security there omo aya de papa everything is in order, and I strongly believe we say ento china na de chia nyame ya adomo e de be ba wie no yen tiatin ka boni biara na ebe make sure say bibia so ato
na wo hwe ekwan asabio amamre ne amane ekoso anase etwa edware wo Manhyia ase no hu eno so esei
amamre ne amane ne de nyame anim no kurani mpan pi ye susane ne yete hu na sisi ya yinyi ye ntan hu ye ntante but ye amamre mu amamre ye hwe akompa omo kom mi sana me hu bi minyi ye bi
krako eyi ama ye hu amamre bebre free enye industry
I'm here because of Serwaa and to see how Shanti people bury their great queen mothers.
That's great. Can you talk a little bit about your dress code?
Oh, well, I'm initiated in the north, upper west region. So I'm wearing this cloth, black and red. Normally I wear white, but I'm observing and respecting the dress code. So I chose this cloth and I'm wearing it in a Hindu way, Indian way.
That's great. I know you love tradition. Tell us, what have you learned so far since Monday up to today? What have you learned over here?
Oh, well, I mean, it's really important that people from the diaspora, Africans all over the world come to see how Ashanti people who fought against the British bury their queen mothers, because Yah Center was one of the greatest Ashanti queen mothers ever.
All right, today is Wednesday, so I call you Queen Afia. Do you like it?
Fine.
All right.
Thank you.
Boss,
your friend Nana Kofi Opoku the first. I just saw Nkoso Hene.
And I'm a pacho. Then I told him.
Yo, Mammy, I don't know. Your friend Nana Yasantua or United Kingdom. Meaning no. Na Yasantua spirit a renimu into a year BBA to say Yasantua and winting a mine or Hase no.
Yama Bensa now, young one, I will be a one, United Kingdom. And
Yama or yeah, one, dear Bibri qua, and winting a friend say Yasantua no. Otimi Ejina a memenim and no more Ejina said ye or Babesia qua away day or ye and pepe. And winting a friend and Anaya Santua. The spirit won you more, and your man and I Santua, baby, or didn't you maybe bria hinterbiano. Mammy, it me, and you who baby cry, and you might be bria day, ewo.
For how long do I be do a Ghana Hasi? Oh,
or type of Ghana pa.
And yet you can't create it. The moment I first be said, the end of that.
Or baby who be.
Oh, okay. Now, in general, we patrol said, Yenya, Ewa, Kamamri Muno, and him say, Nana Echo Ekura. Na yedenya yedefo froba besina nemu na adanse kakra betima diafa Nana Serwaa Kobi Ampem asabre okwa ekura na adanse kakra betima diafa no
yo ye nyina yesom Nana said Nana ya Asantehemaa de tosum bienu esom Nana no ye nyina esom no Nana yobi a oka nipa bom o ma futupa oka ma ne meme nyina ra ye dey ebom wo hia futuo bi na aba ne ho no mo a obema of tupa nti eno ne ade a ebetimi de ayede ahwere no Asantehemaa ya hwere ade pa nti eno ne ade a ebetimi de ayede akai no
ebeda asbebre
nso me da wase.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to film her picture.
Okay. The certificate. So be aware my death certificate. Where Yasantehemaa death certificate. I free sessions e ba ye no e na Nana Yasantehemaa enti no Nana Yasantehemaa but ya ntro no obrofum enti wan hwe ya unhu no se ntro ne de ma hwe aba unhu no enye brofu kasa aize Swahili e was Seychelles.
I hope you enjoy your stay over here in Ghana.
You.
All right. Yes,
you're welcome.
yam na efe. Mo yam yam.
Asantehemaa o ati. Ya ba ha nya ko. Ya nana na ade atoye. Ya ba ya ye be jama. Ya ba ya nana ni mpo na da. Ya ba ya na sia se. Ya be ya mamia ene amane a e ko se sanse. Ya fidie.
Nana ya kokwa.
Ya ni o me bi o no ma ya hu. Enti ene ne ba se ya be hye empanyinsem na da ya se nya bi aka. Ya chima. Enti anu ti na ya ba ti o me bi ada ne kwa. Ene ye akonfo a o kom ahinefo a o ba ti se ene o ma hu ade a hu bida. Ene no ade abehu. Atinye ene e didi bia e fese ahinye bi de echi. No ma ya hu de be ade be pray na ya be sia ya ba ya nya enseku obi na ya nya asem bi na ya be ba ya ba sia amane ya nya amamre. E ba ya sia hu be. And wa maybe dia nya na bo mo dia sa obeba isa nse ni o me wa ha e bia na o dia nyankopa no mo ama asemfofo bi ama mo sabre ya ene wo bra wo se oba na o be shiri esi na wo echina ene ni o ma because ni o ma ya hu
Mami mi se oto kwa kwa na be di bienu.
Asantehemaa bre Asantehemaa
yo amada pampacho eje na behu wa ha e nwanwa na eye owu
o ade die
Ofa obi a die ba ko obi fo die nine.
ye ma fefefe eno akwa obi a wa mutam ade nti atwi ni hu na e
Ya da bu nyina se. Na ye ni esi. Oba ye bi ko free ya.
wo ti mo ya no ede
E be sia e wo pa.
aso bia mo tama ede
E ma mu nyina.
na ye se na na mo mo nse e ti mo mo pa aha ti mo mo
ya sa amon sin na
papa mo se ama se bi se le fu fa ni na egu achi choma na na ngwa na
Ai ni ba na di se so ko. Acha ke ni no. Sa ni ni pe se le ba. Kuna ba pia.
yo eno mpacho Ema this year said ya uhu mosomfo connection man some be pie mu ewo otokoko so ahifie be connect mo ene toko bia ne wose ewura ye esetie ye mamote ye wose muhuru so e mamuhuri ni nyina ye amamre ene amane a asante ewo na said ye ne eda makoma kwa toso me yensa ani na buatia adampam na popo ya adoma eda china edida ekaso kra abema abrowaso edna ko bantuma na ye fi bantuma ye koja no kwan kra ewo abamu na empayfo sɛ de omosia no ombeye amamre ene amanye de santi no nonsia ekono ombesere sanka obibia ebehye dam sɛ be empayfo betime nya kwan no maye sa amamre ne amane no yetima kra abrowatia achi kra champion television so na wo hwe ye be san ne mo ahyia bio ye de mo ase bebre Esremo. Bro, what's over? Now we should it's now works now. And you know because no my you Asante hey. Yo, amada pampacho e je na be hu wa ha e nwanwa na eye owu. Oh, I don't care. Oh, we are here about for the night. Yeah, my favorite. And no problem. We are our mother. I didn't. Oh my ma. Actually, we Nana air. Yeah, that we are see. And I see. Oh, my dear, go free air. Oh, we are no idea. You must say, oh, that's what I'm saying. The mama is now. Yes, I'm not going to say. It's not a good cup. I'm on dinner. I hope you enjoy your stay over here in Ghana. All right. Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That's a blue. Let them say, why am I fair? Why am I?
Asantehemaa. Any Manhyia was the sunset. Yes, you may be on my it's an any bassy of a shed and penism. That's the Chima. It's a nuclear by a bias. You may be than a friend. And yet, I come for who's come. I never found who bad said. And your man who are there who did that. And that's why they are building. I see, and yet, did it be a person? I am here. No, my would be a baby grade. I
I'm here because of Afia Serwaa and to see how Shanti people bury their great queen mothers.
That's great. Can you talk a little bit about your dress code?
Oh, well, I'm initiated in the north, upper west region. So I'm wearing this cloth, black and red. Normally I wear white, but I'm observing and respecting the dress code. So I chose this cloth and I'm wearing it in a Hindu way, Indian way.
That's great. I know you love tradition. Tell us, what have you learned so far since Monday up to today? What have you learned over here?
Otimi ejina ememenim enu omo ejina sede obabesi akwa awede oye no pepepe. Enu nti ne friend na ya Asantehemaa. The spirit ewoni mu enuoma na ya Asantehemaa ye baby a odi nuoma bebre ahinta bia no. Mami etimi emie hunu baby kura enuoma bebre ye dey ewo.
For how long do aba abedi wo Ghana ha say?
Oh, o type Ghana pa.
Enye de edi kan kura.
Enye de edi kan ni.
Emom afase bi say de ene ne da.
Wa ba be hunu bie.
Oh, okay. Now in general me pacho said the yenya yenimu ewa kamamre mu no. Enim say nana ekọ ekura. Na ye den a ye foforo ba besi na namu. Na adanse kakra betime di afa nana Serwaa Kobi Ampem a sabre okọ ekura na adanse kakra betime di afa no.
Yo. Ye nyina ye som nana. Said the nana ya Asantehemaa de tosum bienu. Esom nana no ye nyina esom no. Nana yobi a oka nipa bom. Oma efutupa oka ma ne meme nyinara ye dey ebom wo hia futuo bi na aba ne ho no mo a obema ofutupa nti eno ne ade a ebetimi de aye dey ahwere no Asantehemaa ya hwere ade pa nti eno ne ade a ebetimi de aye dey akai no
Ebeda asbebre
nso me da wase.
Thank you very much.
I want you to film her picture.
Okay. The certificate. So be aware my death certificate. Where you Asantehemaa death certificate. I free sessions e buy no. E na Asantehemaa yin enti no eye. Na Asantehemaa but ya ntro no obrofum. Enti wan hwe ya unhu no se entro ne de ma hwe aba unhu no. Enye brofu kasa. I say Swahili. E was Seychelles.
Okay. I hope you enjoy your stay over here in Ghana. All right. Yes,
You're welcome.
Ghana Police Service.
We are champion for dear. What the Bubako? Why are dear pa? See a near attack or call one. Now what to me about Guayano? Champion, what the Bako? Yadamasa.
So I say, Joy Daddy, RITES, Shadia RITES, of course the Chief Executive and Founder of Joy Industries, Dr. Harrison, morning with the Asante Kingdom. And of course, Dr. Manfred, the brand ambassador, Kwofori. We thank you so much for morning with us. Joy Daddy RITES and Shadia RITES. On behalf of COP, Nathan Kofi Boache, Commander 1, on behalf of the entire security,
na yesi ebe kwa ese na be ya yire be koso jojo
ese enene edamiensa a sebi o yede kwa abrewa okwa na yesi no unhun se ne aha etie na ha etise no efa bambo adwuma ese
oh eno de even though ye nwie ye no betumi aka se excellent je se enye yie nyina na okwa unhun chiche bi se omo so ma etie ase se na wotwe da no enema bebre to chima tinu we no omo agi yiri mu se omo nhwe ma basa ye bia enye dem ensi tinu security there omo aya de papa everything is in order and I strongly believe we say ento chira na de chia nyame ya adomo e de be wie no ye ntia tinka boni biara na be make sure say bibia so ato
na wo hwe ekwan asebio amamre ne amane ekoso anase etwa edware wo Manhyia ase no hu eno so esei
amamre ne amane ne de nyame anim no kure ni mpen pi ye susan ne ete hu